Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at LOL Surprise I Spy series. This is the LOL Surprise under wraps. It was $13.99. The Little Sis was $6.99. Pets for $9.99. And these are new. Fashion Crush for $3.49 each at Target. Wow, so now you can get just the fashion packs. Each one has 3 surprises inside. It says 1 spyglass, a fashion set, pair of shoes, 1 gel, and may contain 1 accessory. I am super curious. I have to see what's inside. Pull the zipper and remove the plastic for our collector's guide? Yeah. This is the collector's guide. Okay, so that's the first thing you get. The outfits have different availability: popular, fancy, rare, and ultra rare. You can download an I Spy Note on lolsurprise.com. There are 4 categories for the fashion: glam club, sleepover club, swim club, and athletic club. On the back, there are all these lovely little warnings.
Adult supervision is required. Do not eat the gel. Gel is meant for one-time use. Throw away after use. And play on a protected surface. Gel may not be removed from all surfaces. Keep away from fabric, furniture, and other surfaces. Avoid leaving it out for long periods of time. Throw away in the trash. Do not put in a sink or drain. Wash hands thoroughly with soap after playing. So yeah.
Read the fine print. All right, let's do this. Remove the second layer of plastic, and we find the spyglass. If you use it on the cap, you can see alphabets and little sleuth hats. The container is shaped like a laundry basket. That's pretty cute. Now we're going to remove this layer of plastic to see sparkly gel inside. Ours is purple. Lay down a protected surface. I'm using some clear plastic from packaging. And now we can remove the gel from the laundry basket. I actually like the laundry basket. You can already see the outfit inside, and this is definitely kind of slimy, but we're gonna crush it with our hands to get the accessory out. Okay, yes, nice and jelly there. But there's a little outfit. We have some shoes, but there is gel inside the shoe, so I guess we'll have to rinse that out. Here is another shoe and a necklace. I am inspecting the gel, and I do believe that is it. So yeah, there's some sparkles in there, but those are gonna have to stay with the gel. I'm adding this to my rock collection. I washed off the outfit, and getting the gel out of the shoes did take a little bit of work. It would have been nice if they were packaged separately. But this is a cute little outfit from Glam Club. Fashion Crush number 2. Ooh, this time we got a pink laundry basket and blue gel. Place the gel on our protected surface. Come on. Then crush. I think this is a bathing suit. This is from the Swim Club collection. It's a cute little bathing suit bottom with a teal colored top. It has little stars on it. We have a pair of orange sandals and some little floaties. Our third fashion crush has a hot pink basket, and we have blue gel again. Let's use a Barbie knife this time. There's our gel, and we're just gonna slice into it. This is pretty fun. There we go. And it's a little less messy. So let's just chop it up with our plastic Barbie knife. It's kind of squishy. It's very slippery. The knife is probably a little less efficient. Yeah, it's like sliding all over the place. But my hands are way cleaner. Well, sort of. Aw, these are so cute. They are cute little PJs from the Sleepover Club. It's a blue pajama set with little clouds and yellow trim and a pair of yellow house shoes. Our last one is a light pink basket. And what color is that gel? Purple! Well, I guess it's kind of a lavender. But I can already see that this is like a cheerleading uniform. Ha ha! And there's all kinds of little glitter in there. I'm just moving everything around. The stuff is super slippery. I see some socks and some shoes. Oh, I'm getting better at this. There we go. Yay! It's an orange cheerleading uniform that says baby on the shirt, a pair of sneakers with some high socks from the athletic club. Cool! We got a fashion pack from each club. No doubles. Now we need someone to wear all of those outfits. The LOL surprise under wraps comes with 15 surprises. When we remove the first layer, we get a spyglass. Getting close. Under layer number 2, we have a message to decode at sleep party? At a slumber party. Layer number 3, we get a list of codes. We have to use the codes to open the hidden compartments on the capsule. All right, which code do we use? I'm trying the first one, and nope, that's not it. This is the second one, and yay, it opened. Inside, we have a bottle. Let's try another one. I'm looking for a peach. I think that was a lemon. Oh, maybe that's it. Let's see. Did it open? Yay! This is a pair of shoes. Let's try the one at the bottom. Yay! And we have a little outfit. Okay, it's like a little tuxedo. This one is supposed to be a sun and a cloud. And yep, it opens! Here is the collector's guide showing the dolls that are currently available. And there's a little secret message on the back. I wonder what this is. It looks like a cape. And this is something really small. Oh, it's a pacifier. Here's a handle to turn the capsule into a purse. And then here is our little LOL surprise doll, all wrapped up. I'm just gonna remove this. And there she is. I like the little outfit intact, so I'm not gonna pull it apart. We're just gonna go and get her dressed so we can introduce Countess from the Spooky Club. I guess she's like a little baby vampire. If hanging with vampires isn't your scene, we can change her into the cute little outfits from the Fashion Crush packs. Aw, isn't she a cute little cheerleader? And we'll just pretend that's grape juice on her face. Let's give her a little sister. There are 5 surprises inside. Under the first layer, we have a secret message. That looks like a cherry bomb to me. Let's get all of this paper off and see which little sister we have. Here is another spyglass. Then here is the collector's guide with a secret message and the collection on the other side. Inside of the little packages, we have a pair of sunglasses. I think this one is a bag. Yep, to match the sunglasses. Here is the little chain. And our last bag must be the little sister. Dun, 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 dun. This is Little Fierce, and it looks like she is rocking some braids. Now, all these 2 ladies need is a pet. There are 7 surprises inside. Ooh, is that a horse? Okay, I can't take it anymore. Let's just see what's inside. I bet this is a bottle. And yes, it is. I believe this is the scooper. Ooh, it's all pearly. Now we can search through the litter box for some fun stuff. Because, yeah, searching through the litter box is always fun. Where is it? I'm almost scared about what I might find. The sand in the litter box is green, so that's interesting. And come on, we'll just use our hands. Yay, I found something! Looks like a sash that says Miss Skunk. This will be another clue, and it's a large tiara. So we must have someone pretty fancy. And our surprise pet is a really cute little skunk with purple hair. Let's put your little crown on. You're so cute. According to the collector's guide, this is Miss Skunk. So, wow, yeah, it said it on the little sash. Wow, getting a skunk for a pet would definitely be a surprise. So here is the beginning of our LOL Surprise I Spy collection. I think it's pretty cool that you can now get fashion packs for your LOL Surprise dolls, so you can change up their look without having to buy more dolls. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at these LOL Surprise dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.
Oh, can I go back that way? I see you standing in the corner.